Welcome to the NJIT website and math podcast. My name is Amin. Today I will be covering the difference and sum of cubes. The difference and sum of cubes simplify many difficult problems. The difference of cubes is of the form a cubed minus b cubed. And the sum of cubes is of the form a cubed plus b cubed. Now the difference of cubes will equal a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. Notice the second term seems like a perfect square, but if it were a square, there would be a 2 before the ab, so it would be 2ab instead of just ab. So don't be fooled by that. Now the sum of cubes will equal a plus b times a squared minus ab plus b squared. Now it might be difficult to remember these formulas, but just remember that in the first term of the difference of cubes, it's going to be a minus b. But in the second term, it's going to be a squared plus ab. Whereas in the sum of cubes, the first term will be a plus b, and the second term will be a squared minus ab. Now let's do some examples. Let's take the example x cubed minus 64. Now we know these are going to be two cubes. The cube root of x cubed is simply x, but the cube root of 64 may be a little difficult to realize. We should break it down into its cube roots. Cube root of 64 is 4, so it's going to be 4 cubed. So now we know what's going to be a and what's going to be b. It's easy to see that in this case a equals x and b equals 4. So now we can simply put it into formula. X cubed minus 64 is going to equal a minus b, so x minus 4 times a squared, x squared, plus ab 4x plus b squared, 4 squared, which is 16. And that's going to be the difference of cubes. For our second example, we have a sum of cubes. We have 8x cubed plus 125. We need to break these into its cubes. So for 8x cubed, it's going to be 2x cubed plus 5 cubed. Now it's easy to see that a equals 2x and b equals 5. We plug this into our formula and we get 8x cubed plus 125 is going to equal a plus b, 2x plus 5, times a squared, 4x squared, minus ab, 10x, plus b squared, 25. And now we have the sum of cubes. Thank you for visiting the NJIT website. If you need further assistance, stop by the CAPE-Tutors Hall, room 200. Good luck in your studies.